So I've patiently watched the argument going on. No matter say Taylor for me from one actor. Now Elikem movies who doesn't why. Who to me make a contract to check Kofi Adjorlolo. Now Elikem will be no why a contract. Elikem for one who treat toilet mo for disrespecting Kofi Adjorlolo. No, your radio presenter Kofi Adjorlolo and this where you are by this kadam. Elikem, you have a successful tailoring career. And I would be quality shop 1 year, rent 2 years, what call Papa Fee. My friend, shut up. What's the video did you attempt? They do apology and I do any more. You want to disrespect Kofi? What the fuck is wrong with your mind? Are you an actor? What makes you think you're an actor, Elikem? Madam. Madam. What is a Kofi Adjorlolo when you will be a genius? Shut up, Massa. Respect.
And I can't do the video say now. In your fact, I will post that for my social media. Hey, Elikem, I think you said people should have part-time jobs in the acting field. We did set how much you lost?
50 Ghana.
50 Ghana from in person side.
Yeah.
50 Ghana.
2.5. How much G5? 50 Ghana.
2.5. The person G 50 Ghana. Hey, the thief to be good thief. It is thief way to think about your tomorrow. Elikem, you said part-time jobs. So now thieves are also taking acting as a part-time job. So now that we are having thieves having acting as part-time jobs, how will they survive? What if they come and steal my talent? What do I do? Every time they talk, they measure the consequences. 50 Ghana go. Tomorrow, how much will go? Now, thieves and thieves all they want to do acting.
They actually make the acting as a main job where the klepto be.
So they act. They acting with the main job where they're stealing with a part-time job. See, if you are witness, they still will right now. Now thieves are keeping acting as a main job and they are stealing on their side. Ashawo for we're waiting for you people. The Ashawo people they go make the acting the main.
They go make the acting the main job. Where they can collect the number they go meet for part-time.
Ashawo for mumbro part-time.
To get a day job, and you don't get a day job, and you think that producers, you wait for producers to come and give you big money, then continue waiting. As for me, I will continue with my day job. If I get a good job on acting, I will go and act. But no, but Uncle Kofi, if you want to wait for producers to give you big money, wait. As for me, I'm going to do my work. Bros, I will get a day job and I will continue advising young actors to get a day job. I've worked in Nigeria, I've worked in South Africa, I've shot movies in the UK. I'm an actor as well. Get a day job as an actor and support yourself. Don't come and complain about producers. Otherwise, sign contracts. Be professional and sign a contract.
We shall do that.
You're like my father. But your comments about going to apologize to my father's grave shows how shallow everything is right now. Uncle Kofi, you were not professional enough to sign contracts for producers. Don't complain about them. Let's take the job serious. None. That is why I don't complain. If you have a problem with the situation,
I'm not
do something about
somebody
it.
owes me. I said, give me my money.
If there's a problem, do something
and
about
now
it.
you came into. Did he
Let's face facts. Let's be professional.
You say you apologize.
If you want to
did you even call to apologize to me?
I called you. You were busy. Did I not call you?
Did I tell you I was busy?
You said you were shooting. I have the record here.
I was sitting down in my hall.
You were shooting.
I was sitting at my hall. You spoke and then you said, okay, I'll call you later.
Why did you then say you were shooting?
Charlie.
Look, it's not even my case. I have said what I've said. As an actor, or if you want to come into the acting, get a day job. Support yourself while you follow your passion.
We have worked so many years for you. I've worked in Ghana.
If it doesn't work for you, it is my opinion.
7 generations.
It works for me. I am building houses for my tailoring job, and I want to advise the youth to find a day job while you want to work. If you don't want to do that, Uncle Kofi, no. You don't have to have talent, Gloria. You don't have to have talent to find a job. You can be a waiter. You can sweep this FM if you want. No. Complain about producers, but be professional. Insist on a contract. Hold on. Insist on a contract or don't complain. If your producers won't give you the contract, walk away, Gloria. You are bigger than that.
Maybe that's what we have.
And the more we implement that as actors or as individuals, the more the producers will take us seriously.
No, it's okay.
A producer can't call Elikem Kumaji the tailor today and say, Elikem, come and shoot. Hold on. A producer cannot call me in my rights. A producer can't call me in my rights and and say, Elikem, come and shoot a movie for me and I'll pay you 500 Ghana cedis. They are even afraid because I've set myself on a certain standard. I have a job that pays me, that makes me comfortable. So before I follow you, I need to make sure that all my ends are covered. Why will you sit and wait and say producers don't pay and you're not doing anything about it? Kofi Adjorlolo is a professional. He's a veteran actor. Come on. Make sure there's a contract. Go to the Ghana Actors Guild and let's implement it. Let's say
come to the producers.
Talk to them too. We can't go and judge the producers.
Elikem,
we can only judge ourselves.
Elikem, you are doing things so much that your colleagues are so angry with you.
That is their.
Good morning, guys. I had to make one last video on this topic. Yesterday I was in studio with Kofi Adjorlolo and things went from 0 to 100 real quick. I want to render my sincere apologies to the veteran actor. There was no reason for me to have gotten so upset and spoken on top of my voice in such disrespectful manner to him. So I want to say sorry. I want to apologize. I got upset like that because he said something to me that didn't sit down too well with me. But who am I? He said to take my apology to my dead father's grave, and my father is very dear to me. I love him so much. He passed away some 15 years ago. But in the culture that we're raised in, you're supposed to show respect to the elderly no matter what. So I'm very sorry, Kofi Adjorlolo, for how things went yesterday. If you find it in your heart to forgive me, remember I'm your son. I played the role of your son in the movie The Prince of Tamale by Venus Films, where we all got paid, you know. So I just urge all of us to, you know, drop everything, have a healthy conversation about, you know, actors and our remuneration and everything that can be good for us. At least things got fired up, but it could be a healthy conversation, and actors can be happy at the end of the day when we come together. I love you all. I'll just take the opportunity also to say a big sorry to all my actor colleagues and everyone who took offense of my utterance, my views, my opinions. I heard them, they were not taken so well, and then I was a bit harsh towards the end about it. So forgive me, and I hope we can move forward in nice with everything. The Ghanaian culture doesn't allow you to disrespect the elderly, so I'm stressing on my apology to Uncle Kofi Adjorlolo. My sincere honor and respect goes to you for setting the pace for us to follow. I hope you guys are all having a lovely Sunday. My name's Elikem the Tailor, and I'm on my way to church. I'll see you when I get back. Peace and love.